Samsung may have unwittingly shown us what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra unique for the first time. Interestingly, it originated from a tiny motion hidden within One UI 8.5 itself rather than from a dazzling launch teaser or a carefully crafted press graphic. This isn't a fan-made mock-up or an idea. Samsung's own software includes this animation, which immediately informs us of one crucial point. The current design is sufficiently developed to be regarded as final. The punch-hole camera, which is substantially larger than what we've seen on earlier S Ultra models, is the first feature that stands out from the front. Indeed, it appears to be a step backward from an aesthetic perspective. Samsung did not, however, merely increase its size at random. The selfie camera on the S26 Ultra is reportedly gaining a bigger field of vision, increasing from 80 degrees to 85 degrees, according to earlier sources. The punch hole had to enlarge because that additional coverage necessitates a physically larger sensor. Therefore, even if it might not appear as tidy on paper, it's one of those adjustments that becomes more apparent when you consider how people really use the front camera, particularly for group photos and video chats. A closer look at the animation reveals that the phone has a softer overall contour since the corners are more rounded and the bezels have been marginally reduced in comparison to the S25 Ultra. One of the subtle criticisms about recent Ultra phones has been that the frame itself seems less sharp, with smoother edges that should make it substantially more comfortable to handle for extended periods of time. Additionally, there's a little but intriguing detail around the S Pen area where the clicker end now seems more curled and blended into the frame. This is in complete accordance with previous CAD-based breaches that have surfaced. Now, the new privacy display technology is the true star of this animation and possibly the largest new feature on the S26 Ultra. And now is where the real interest begins. A comprehensive visual demonstration of the feature's operation is provided by Samsung. It is also surprisingly simple. When you stare directly at the display, everything seems perfectly normal. However, the display clearly dims and becomes much more difficult to read the moment you tilt the phone if someone attempts to peep from the top, bottom, or side. This is a straightforward but powerful idea. Whether you're at a cafe, on a packed bus, or waiting in queue to check something crucial on your phone, it significantly lessens shoulder surfing. The fact that this is more than just a software trick adds even more significance to this. Because it uses a revolutionary Flex Magic OLED panel, the privacy effect is integrated right into the display circuitry. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.